Hey, what's up, guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I trade and record my trades using this template. So I'm going to go straight to my binary option. So I'm going to select uh, pairs that are very good for trading. So the first thing I have to do is to go to my trade log. So my trade amount is $200 here. So I'm just going to come here and I'll change this to $200. Okay. So let me look for good opportunities. Now I'm going to use simple price action to trade here. The reason why I clicked on sell here is because price has been touching this horizontal line, and all the time price touch this horizontal line here, it has been rejecting. So that's why I clicked on sell here. So let's see how this trade goes. Hopefully this trade goes in our favor. Nice. So let's check. I'm gonna put this to win. Okay, so we just won one trade. We have 3% left. So hit our target. Our target is 5%. So let's see if we can hit our target of 5%. So I'm going to look for more opportunities using just purely price action. If this trade comes down, if this candle comes down, I'm going to go for buys, because if you watch closely, you can see, okay, oh, I entered very late, but let's see how it goes. The reason why I entered was because there was rejection, multiple rejections and weak rejections in this level. And as you can see, there's also rejections here, and that's why I entered for a buy. Hopefully price goes in our favor. So I was hoping that price comes back to this horizontal line and then rejects from there. But we had a very bad entry, so hopefully we see if we're going to win this trade. Because I won that trade. I forgot something. I was supposed to change. I was supposed to change my. I was supposed to change this to to 203. So I used 200. It was supposed to be 203. So I will just click on wins here. Okay, so I entered two trees and I won three. So I just achieved 5% of my account balance, and that was my target. You can see it is showing green here. So I am done for today, but I'll see if I can take just one more before um before calling it a day. So let's look for more opportunities. If price comes to this gap, I'm going to enter for a buy. Okay, I just entered for a buy because I was hoping price would come to this level here, but price did not come to that level. Okay, so hopefully we'll win this trade and then I'll call it a day. I don't like to be greedy when I'm trading. I like to follow my trade plan and follow my rules. So let me mark the gap for you so you can see it very well. So this was a gap and price just tapped on it and then it starts going up. I forgot again I was supposed to change this 200. Okay, so we won that trade. So let's put this to win. Okay. So achieved 7% approximately. I didn't add this uh this last digit, but it's all good. So I closed for 10,756 approximately. So 10,756. Okay, so I achieved uh 7.6% and I hit my target for the day. So I'll trade tomorrow and let's see how it goes.